Oh.
Song request? A song you want them to sing?
Can I wear a hat in this one, Al? Or? Oh, man. Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got Papa's 2021 model Ram 2500. He's on the road full time with the kids, as a lot of our customers are, so we've decided to give him a few upgrades to make the trip a lot more comfortable. We started this off with the Carly Pintop Levelling Kit. This is our most popular kit, guys. It's the Levelling 2.5 remote res Carly tuned shocks. Got the 2.5-inch lift in the front, and we've combined this with the HHD King springs in the rear with the Airbag Man coil helpers. So he's putting a canopy on this truck at the end of the year. We've just set him up from the start to be more capable when the canopy goes on. He's already one step ahead there, so it's going to be an easy addition, and he doesn't have to do anything else to the suspension when the time comes. You'll notice on the exterior of this truck there's a pretty cool looking roof rack on the top. We are super excited to announce that we're working with a brand new company on adding more and more accessories to these American trucks here in Australia. So Australian made products. This is the very first prototype rack gone onto a Ram 2500 model. We've got incorporated Stedi 13.5-inch work lights, being amber on the left and right. We've also gone for a 51-inch laser triple R 28 Elite model. This is an awesome roof rack lighting combo. We've also added the GME 1.2 meter aerials for both UHF and Selfie. So accessory rack, lots of parts coming through this new exciting company, and we can't wait to show you what else we've got coming. Switching these LED lights is through the Switch Pro SP9100 switching unit, our favourite mod to switch any 12-volt accessory on these American trucks. We've also used this to switch the Triple R 1250 Elite laser lamp light, so we've tucked this nice and neatly in the front bumper. Also switched through the Switch Pros the air on board for this vehicle. So we've gone for the twin ARB compressor mounted in the Ram box. We've added the Airbag Man pressure control modules. So switched up the front of the cab, you've got the compressor to turn on and off. You've got the digital buttons to go up and down in the airbags in the rear coils, and the plug and play Airbag Man remote to see what pressure the bags are at all times. ASV converted Rams here in Australia through Ram Trucks Australia have got a lot of chrome on them, on the Laramie models. So we've gone for a chrome delete vinyl wrapped front and rear bumper, and then we've colour coded a little bit of chrome in the front grille to give it a nice touch. We've changed out his wheels to the Method 305 NV titaniums. We've gone for the stainless lip bolts, so this is tying in with the chrome theme nicely. And then he already had Yokohama just under 35-inch tyres on this model. Because James is on the road with the family full time, he's decided to go with the 34.3-inch tyre size. This is going to protect the gearbox, being the 68 RFE box through the Ram 2500 models. But he is heading to G&L Performance here in Salisbury, Queensland next week to have a few modifications done to protect the box and make it a lot more durable for the lap around Australia. The factory steps on these Rams are quite bulky, so we've removed these and gone for the EBoard Electric Side Steps with inbuilt LED lights. Make sure you're following our social media, guys. We've got the Facebook, the Instagram, we've even got the TikTok, and now that we're pumping out a few YouTube videos, be sure to subscribe, like the videos, and comment any questions you may have. This is an awesome looking black Ram 2500 with a hint of chrome. We can't wait to show you the next one.
Hey guys, future CEO of Big Dog Builds. Just built a Ram, it's pretty cool. Got some Carly suspension, method wheels, aerial things. Electric steps because the stock ones look weird and big and they stand out. We've added our first roof rack. Yeah, that's about it. Got some lights on the side that like make different colours and yeah, pretty bright. There's one hidden in the bar. Yeah, check it out on the Big Dog Builds TikTok.
Need to do this one right.